Apple just launched an AI feature hidden inside iOS 18 and macOS Sequoia that might be their biggest move yet in artificial intelligence, and almost no one noticed. They're calling it private cloud compute, and here's why it matters. In the AI race, Apple's been surprisingly quiet. While companies like OpenAI, Google, and Meta make headlines weekly, Apple has been slow to enter the ring. Until now. But what they've created could be the key to unlocking AI features for everyone, without sacrificing privacy. Private cloud compute lets your device use Apple's cloud servers for AI processing, but with a twist. Unlike traditional cloud-based AI, Apple never sees your data. The processing happens securely, in isolated containers that are cryptographically sealed. No Apple engineer, or even Apple themselves, can access what's inside. This is Apple's answer to the biggest AI question of 2025, can you get the power of large language models without giving up your data? Turns out, maybe you can. Apple's strategy is a hybrid model. Some AI tasks are done on device, powered by Apple Silicon, and others are offloaded securely to the cloud when needed. So why should you care? Because this opens the door for features like summarizing long texts or emails on your iPhone, advanced image editing in photos using generative AI, real-time transcription and translation, context-aware Siri that finally understands you, and even personalized suggestions across all Apple apps. All without leaking your personal info to big tech. And here's what's wild, this system is already running. Developers can now access Apple Intelligence APIs. This means third-party apps can tap into private cloud compute too, not just Apple's own software. In short, Apple is giving you ChatGPT-level AI, but built into your iPhone or Mac. And with end-to-end privacy baked in. It's a direct shot at both OpenAI and Google, but wrapped in Apple's trademark secrecy. And while the tech world is distracted by flashy models and voice clones, Apple just quietly built the world's most secure AI platform. And rolled it out to 1 billion users overnight. Are we seeing the next big shift in the AI war? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more daily updates from Auto Prompt AI.